Hi, only 5 minutes and you get this super tasty Gobi Dry at home. First, take a kadai, add water, add cauliflowers, add 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of turmeric powder, boil 4 to 5 minutes. Take a mixer grinder, add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, curry leaves, green chilies, mint leaves, coriander leaves, 2 pieces of ginger, 1 spoon of jeera, half spoon of black pepper, 2 spoon of dhania. Grind them. After grinding, add the masala to the gobi. Two, 3 small cup of corn flour, salt to taste, and toss them. After frying it into oil, remove it and arrange in a serving plate. And garnish with chopped onion and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. If you love easy and tasty recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. More delicious videos coming. Thank you for watching.